Welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to be studying. I have an exam coming up in like a week, and I have been focusing on like my personal projects, but I kind of need to study for this exam. So yeah, welcome and join me. And I have my iPad for the Pomodoro timer because that's the method that I use while studying. Yeah, so welcome and yeah, have fun. Let me set the ambience first. I have my ring light over here, and once I switch this off, there it is.
This might be the best website to learn new tech skills and how to code.
Okay, so what I'm generally doing here right now is I did a speed run of like everything that I needed to do, and yeah, I'm studying networking. So yeah, I did a speed run, and now I'm going to be watching some YouTube videos on it. So guys, finally done studying. Yeah, studied for around 1.5 hours. Yay for me. Okay. But then I'm done studying, and yeah, I did the first half of whatever I needed to do today. And the study method that I like using is the Pomodoro Technique. And for me personally, I like having my notes in like a note-taking app. Most of the times I use kilo notes when I need to write something down and jot down math, because CS involves a lot of math. Don't let them lie to you. But then I do that, and then like I make some notes in Notion or something. Then I link the required pages, and yeah, create mind maps with Notebook LM. Recommend that like so much. But then like yeah, that's what I do. And then I watch a couple of YouTube videos like at the end to like consolidate and like make sure that whatever I studied is I've actually grasped everything that I needed to study. But then like yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, and try the techniques and leave them down in the comments if it does work for you, because personally it does work for me. And then like at the end, like much later, when I'm super tired and I don't feel like looking at a screen anymore, because girl is blind, I wear glasses, I generate a podcast on like Notebook Alarm, and like I listen to the podcast based on my notes and everything. And yeah, hope I'll see you guys next time, and please be sure to like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Bye.